Now let's talk a little bit about why the market is patterned. And obviously, if I'm telling you why the market's patterned, that you can see that I do believe the market is indeed patterned. The reason I say that is because there's a lot of folks out here that believe the market is not patterned. You have something called the random walk theory, which basically states that the markets, currencies, stocks, anything that you're trading takes a random and unpredictable path. Now, there is indeed some randomness to a point to the markets, okay, because we don't always know what pattern is playing out, and the patterns can indeed change, okay, but in a normal market, when you don't have outside volatile factors coming in, the markets are indeed patterned, okay, and the reason they're patterned are because human beings are creatures of habit. When you see a pattern on a price chart, you're basically seeing human behavior. Okay, it's traders' actions. Even if it's not human traders, it maybe it's mechanical systems. There's a lot of those out here today. But what are the mechanical systems programmed based on? Human behavior. Okay, they were taken from previous patterns in the market, previous things that were seen in the market, which would actually make them more patterned than even a human being, because they're based on the human beings and they won't deviate. Okay, so basically you have the pattern of human behavior without the emotion. Okay, so what we see on a price chart is a reflection of those habits. And a way I'd like to teach people is with this example. If you were to chart out what you do every day, okay, your routine that you do every day, if you were to put that on a chart, I could predict where you're going to be at a specific time on a specific day. Okay, simply by studying the chart of your past behavior. Okay, because we're creatures of habit. We usually follow the same routines from day to day. That's the same thing you see on a price chart with the markets. Right? So what you see on a price chart is basically patterns of mass human behavior, traders' habits. Now, as we get deeper into this section, we're going to cover the patterns that I've identified in the market that happen from day to day, hour to hour, on 15-minute charts, on 5-minute charts, all the way down to 1-minute charts. And after we finish with this section, I think you'll have a hard time arguing that the markets are indeed patterned.